Hoy. Hoy. Sorry for the deafening sound. But just for any people, they're in my class and watch my videos. I am not gonna be in school for the most part of the day because I have a real bad cough and I'm gonna go to the doctor. So, frick it, bitch. Yeah. I don't know what I have, but I guess I was planning on doing a live stream, but and YouTube made it so only people with 1,000 subscribers can do live streams on mobile phones, and that's freaking like I got 19 subscribers. That's good. Now I can't live stream anymore. Well, at least until I get 1,000 subscribers. But we're off topic. I won't be at school for most of the day because I'm going to be doctors, and whenever I'm at the doctor's, I'm actually going to record a YouTube video of it. Because that'd be cool. Well, if I can, or remember to. But, yeah. When life gives you lemons. Sandwiches. Well, bye. And I hope you had a good time watching this 2-minute and 30-second video. Well, about to be 3 minutes video. Be a good time enjoying it. And listening to the deafening sound of my cough. Well, I'm going to end this video off like this.